start your presentation.
Take the full screen.
Hello, sir. I can now start, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. Sir, my topic is the microplastic pollution in the fisheries. First of all, what is the microplastic? The plastic particle size is the less than 5 mm is called as a microplastic. How come make the microplastic? Microplastic is ultimately make up from plastic. So what is plastic? Plastic is the how to make a plastic. It means manufacturing of the plastic, the polymerization and polycondensation of the different types of the monomers and polymers like the styrene, ethylene, and polypropylene. Plastic
Full
production.
screen karo, Mr. Solanki.
Yes, yes.
Full
Sorry,
screen.
my screen is full, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now
Okay.
yes.
I can now start, sir. Continue.
Continue.
Okay. Plastic uses day by day will be increasing throughout the world. There is the use of the plastic product is increased dramatically in 19th century. It grew to be 335 million tons in the 2019. And the microplastic is the divided into two categories: primary microplastic and secondary microplastic. Primary microplastic, it means those plastic particles is the less than the 5 mm. It means manufacturing of the microplastic size range is the primary microplastic. And secondary microplastic, it means the larger plastic particles will be fragmentation and weathering of the many types of the some of the environmental condition, and due to the small size in the making of the plastic, it means less than 5 mm to make from the larger fragment is called as the secondary microplastic. What is the source of the microplastic? The different types of the pathway, diverse pathway to comes of the microplastic in the aquatic ecosystem by the terrestrial ecosystem. Primary microplastic production, it means the less than 5 mm of the plastic in the beads and any small plastic. And terrestrial transportation, it means the tires, breakdowns of the tires on any terrestrial activity to comes of the microplastic. And agriculture activities like the polythene bags, urea bags, and any bags is the create the waste and make a small size. And wastewater plants and degradation of the plastic bill on beaches. It means the tourism plastic waste is to come through by the tourism activity and fragmentation, and due to make a small plastic less than 5 mm is called microplastic. Atmosphere is airborne microplastic. Coastline and the coastline or runoff. It means the by the come from the river and many activities. Industrial activities. It means the major source of the microplastic or major source of the plastic in India is the industrial activity. Fisheries is the fishing activity or any breakdown of the ship, making of the ship. Aquaculture practices. It means the shrimp culture, any practice, any culture due to the make a plastic. Shape-based microplastic, fiber, foam, pellets, fragments, chemical property according to come of the research and compound of the microplastic in the 80% will be polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene, polyvinyl chloride, polyethylene terephthalate. And how to come microplastic in the ecosystem? First of all, the microplastic mostly in the by the river. Freshwater is the major receptor of the microplastic, and the ocean current is the play important role of the small size and low density microplastic trade transport to large in the ocean. And microplastic found in biota. First of all, the microplastic in come in the aquatic environment, and then in the introduced in the aquatic organism. And planktivorous feeding a bit like the small planktivorous feeding like the fishes, a small fishes. It's a misunderstanding to identify the own food and the microplastic to misunderstanding to consume the microplastic. Filter feeder organism is the misunderstanding to identify the food and then the own food and microplastic due to and the eat and consume and contaminated by microplastic. Deposited feeding organism they eat on the consume the detritus, and thus detritus to settle on the bottom and then the contaminated by microplastic, and some of the time ultimately deposited feeding organism will be contaminated by microplastic. Grazing feeding strategy biota such as the gastropod in the limpets or periwinkle will scrape the algae the surface one. That algae will be chance of the contaminated microplastic and ultimately microplastic to contaminated the grazing feeding like organism. And then that organism, the first trophic level organism contaminated by microplastic, and next trophic level, higher trophic level microorganism, it prey by the organism and contaminated by ultimately higher trophic level predator species. An effect of the microplastic on biota. once ingested of the microplastics cannot able to digest or absorb because the marine organism do not have a specific digestive system to digest the polymer, and ultimately is the bad effect on the organism. Due to respiratory rate will be decreased and stress will be increased, and feeding rate will be decreased and decrease the energetic reserve. The accumulation of the microplastic due to some of the muscle effect on like a cellular damage in the responsive on the to oxidative stress, and the effect of the microplastic life subcellulose is the reduced enzymatic activity, gene expression, oxidative damage, or many reduce the fecundity and fertility, altered behavior, alter energetic, metabolic, and cancer. Some ecosystem altered behavior, alter habitat population, and the like a coral reef in or a zooxanthal is the symbiosis relationship, and zooxanthal is the contaminated with microplastic, and indirectly or indirectly it is the consumed by the coral polyps, and ultimately coral polyps is the contaminated by microplastic, and thus the coral reef ecosystem will be contaminated by microplastic, and bad effect on the coral reef ecosystem. First consumption by the fish or aquatic organism microplastic, and then that will be consumed by the human, and and the indirectly or directly introduced in human, and both the and food, and one of the research will be conducted FAO, and so one of the study to estimated top European selfish consumer could eat approximately 11,000 plastic particles per annually. And the our conclusion is that the study may be helpful to managing of the microplastic pollution, and also helpful for the make healthy and sustainable level, and may be helpful to suggest the microplastic pollution level C for suggesting